To add a new iMachining operation, right-click on the operations header in the SolidCAM Manager tree. When the first iMachining operation is added to our CAM part, we will need to define the machine and work material parameters for the iMachining database. Note these buttons at the bottom left of the dialog. They enable us to manage machine definitions in the list. The new icon enables us to add a new machine definition. The delete icon allows us to delete existing machine definitions from the list. The Save As icon enables us to save defined machine definitions under specific names and locations. Finally, the Revert icon enables us to return all the edited parameters to their default values. For this exercise, let's create a new machine database. Under the machine list, click the New icon. A dialog will prompt us to enter a name for the new machine database. Let's name it Haas SS New. Clicking Save adds the new machine definition into the list. In the General section, define the major machine parameters. The parameters marked with yellow highlight are mandatory. Set the spindle speed max to 12,000 RPM and the feed rate max to 21,160 millimeters per minute. For reposition feed rate, set the value for XY movements to 10,000 millimeters per minute and the value for Z movements to 3,800 millimeters per minute. Set the spindle power max to 20 kilowatts. Click Next to define the work material. Choose the aluminum option with a 100 Brinell hardness number and a hardness Rockwell of 60 on the B scale. Click on the Finish button to confirm the machine and work material parameters definition. If you are running a demo version of SolidCAM, select the default Haas SS database and choose the same aluminum 100 BHN 60 HRB for material definition. Now that we have created a machine database for iMachining, we can select it in the CAM part definition dialog box upon creating any new CAM parts. Once we have confirmed the machine and work material definition, click Finish to display the iMachining operation dialog box.